With HealthVault, it's possible to share the information in each of your health records with other people, such as other members of your family. In fact, with anyone who has a HealthVault account. You can choose which information to share with which people, and choose what level of access you want to give them. There are 3 different levels of access. View permissions allow a person to see the information in the health record, but not to change it. Users with view permissions can't view the sharing or history tabs. View and modify permissions allow a person to add, view, or edit health information or profile information, but not to view the information's history or sharing status. And finally, custodian permissions give a person full access to the information in the health record, including the ability to edit and delete it, view the information history, and change others' sharing permissions. This is the highest level of access. When you create a record, you have custodian permissions by default, and you should give custodian permissions only to people who you know you can trust. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a health record. Sign in to your HealthVault account at www.healthvault.com and then switch to the health record that you want to share by clicking Switch Person at the top of the left pane and then clicking the name of the health record. In the left pane, click the Sharing tab and then click Share Health Information with someone you trust. Type the email address of the person you want to share the health record's information with, such as another family member. This doesn't have to be the email address that they use to sign into HealthVault. In fact, you can even send a sharing invitation to someone who doesn't have a HealthVault account yet. When they receive the sharing invitation, they'll be prompted to open an account. If you want the recipient to have to enter a passcode before they can access the health record, type a minimum of 4 characters into the box. If you choose to create a passcode, you must tell the recipient about it separately. It won't be included in the email from HealthVault. For security purposes, we recommend that you don't use email to notify someone about a sharing passcode. Next, select the sharing level that you want to allow, and then choose which information types within the record you want to share. You can choose to share the entire record, or to share just specific parts of the record. Now choose how long you want to share the information for, type a brief explanation for the recipient to see when the invitation arrives in their email, and then click Send Invitation. The sharing offer will be sent in an email message with instructions for how to create a HealthVault account if the recipient doesn't already have one. When the recipient follows the instructions in the email and accepts the sharing request, they'll be able to see and access the information that you've chosen to share until the date when you chose to make the sharing expire. Remember that if you chose to set a passcode, you must let the recipient know what it is before they can access the health record. For security reasons, HealthVault doesn't send the passcode to the recipient. As you can see, HealthVault is a great way to help you make sure that your health information gets where you need it to go, and to ensure that the right people, and only the right people, are able to keep track of it. Have fun!